how to download and install app on your phone. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can download and install app on your phone. And to do that, just go to your app list and then click on your Play Store. And so once you're brought to your Play Store, just move to the search box and type out the name of the application, which is and then once you see it, click on it. Then once you click on it, you will see details about the application, such as the number of reviews, the ratings, the number of downloads. Then you can also check out pictures about the application. And also by scrolling down, you can see reviews about the application to see if it's something that you would want or not. And so as you can see that, scroll up and then click on the install button that you can see there. Then once you've done that, you would wait for the page you'd wait for it to be downloaded, and then once it's done downloading, it will be installed into your mobile phone. So just wait for a while. It might take a while depending on how stable the network connection is in your area. So once it is done downloading, it will start installing automatically. So you just have to wait for it to be fully installed into your mobile phone. And so once it's done installing, you would see the option on install and play. So you can just go ahead, click on play, and create an account. This is how you can download and install app on your phone. Thank you for watching and have a good day.